Well, boys and girls, sorry we haven't done another van channel, you know, video for a little while. And yeah, it's just a little tip on how to, you know, get your free. Can't talk, can I? Get your sink in. Now, what you want to do is what I've done. Get yourself a template. If my mate will move the sink for me.
Yep.
And what you want to do, because this has got these clips, you don't want to, you want to draw around this, but if you cut, say I've already done this here, drawn around it, the dimensions of the sink, but because it needs clamping on the corners, what you want to do is when you cut it, make sure you cut an edge off, or you measure a certain amount. I think, to be honest with you guys and girls, it'd be easy if we just measured about 10 mil in and cut round that as a template, and yeah, and that's how you do it. And you get the drill bit in each corner. We will show you in a minute. Drill a hole each corner and then use a jigsaw to go round. And that's the tip of getting your sink into your camper. With that, hope this tip helps. Bye for now.
Right.
Yep. Right, now we've cut the hole. Friend Jimmy's going to try it, and we just get it like a template. I think that's going to be okay.
Yep.
Let's just check.
All four of
Let's just check. Yep. Yep. And now we've tested that will fit in there. Instead of, we can always make a mistake on the cardboard, but not only that, we've got that template we can now cut into that, like so. And that, guys, is how you do it. And before you're wondering, that is going to be sanded down and painted with a new enamel paint, because it is a bit of a manky colour. But hey, guys, for £5, you're not going to complain, are you? With that, I'm going to say goodbye on this tip, and Jimmy's going to say goodbye too.
See you now.
Yep.
Have a good day.